Now we are going to see the topic about all pass shortest path. Okay, you have the separate topic in second unit, third unit, that is all pass shortest path. Okay, there are so many problems comes under this one, all pass shortest path problem. Before going that problem, you have to know what is all pass shortest path. Okay, and then only we can proceed the formula problems under. Okay, yeah, see here G equal to V comma E. Okay, well, G means nothing but it is a graph. Okay, well, V means nothing but vertices and E edges. Okay, see this is what the graph. Okay, yeah, see here vertices means what is it? 1 2 3 4, this and all we call it as vertices, and edges means that arrow. Okay, yeah, this is what. Okay, this is what the complete graph. G equal to V comma E, that is vertices comma edges together it called it as graph. Okay, yeah, G graph and V vertices and E edges. Okay, mostly it may be a directed graph or undirected graph. Okay, like that will be there. Okay, directed means see the arrow. Okay, yeah, weighted graph. Okay, weighted graph means they will specify an weight, particular weight. For 1 to 2 means they will specify 2 or values. Okay, they will specify the values here. Okay, that and all we will see. Okay, see each and every pair we have to find the shortest path. Okay, see all pair shortest path, that means nothing but we have to find the shortest path value. Okay, so each and every pair we have to find the shortest path. Okay, for example, this is the one node, from 1 to 4 what's the value. Okay, I have to find which is the shortest way. Okay, shortest way to go from 1 to 4. For example, consider I already told no in greedy technique, from Chennai to Shiradi. Okay, there is so many path is there. Okay, which one is the minimum one? Which one is the minimum way to minimum? Which one require minimum time to reach the Shiradi? That one I have told no. Yeah, you can go. You can prefer a train or a flight or bus or car, like that, from Chennai to Shiradi. Okay, yeah, comparing car, bike, train, the flight is the best one because it takes the minimum time for reaching the destination. Okay, that is the shortest path. Okay, that's the thing here. Okay, each and every pair we have to find the shortest path. Okay, consider that example. Okay, yeah, from Chennai to Shiradi. Okay, yeah, it is using a dynamic programming. Okay, yeah, of course it is a dynamic programming one. Okay, yeah, for finding the shortest path. Okay, this as in matrix multiplication we will use the divide and conquer method. Okay, now here for all pair shortest path we are using the dynamic programming method for finding the shortest path. Okay, all pair shortest path means for all the paths. Okay, all the nodes we are finding the shortest path. Which one is the shortest one? Okay, that's the thing here. Okay, yeah, let's see. This is what are the graphs. See, 5 2 3. Okay, yeah, this is what the graph. Okay, see, finding minimum shortest distance between vertices. Okay, I have to find the minimum shortest distance. Okay, that's the thing here. Yeah, this is the key point here. Okay, how I can find the shortest distance between the vertices? Okay, there are so many formulas. See the formula. This is the formula we will use for the all pair shortest path. Okay, Wi comma ij k equal to min of, that is minimum one, because shortest one no, we are going to find the shortest value, so minimum value. Okay, Wi comma j k minus 1 and comma Wi comma k minus 1 plus Wkj k minus 1. See, this is different term and this is different term. We are finding which one is minimum one. Okay, we are taking only the minimum value among this one. Okay, Wij means nothing but already I have to all know, that is weight. Okay, yeah, Ij, that is values. Okay, vertices nodes. Okay, we will see everything. Okay, yeah, before going for all pair shortest path we have to know one more thing, that is single source shortest path. That is also very important, but in your syllabus this is not there. Okay, single source shortest path. Okay, this is also very important. This also will find the shortest value, but the root node is the one. Okay, yeah, see, this is one example for single source shortest path, that is 5. I can compare this one. Okay, yeah, I will tell you the example. See, single shows shortest path, either may be a directed or undirected graph, and then there are so many examples there for single source shortest path, Bellman-Ford and Dijkstra algorithm. Okay, yeah, this and all example for single source shortest path. Yeah, see, single source shortest path. Okay, Yeah, for a single source shortest path. Yeah, wait, see, single source shortest path. See, for example, I'm considering 1, okay, yeah, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, okay, see, 6, okay, um, 7 and then 8, okay. See, here the problem is that for 1 2, okay, this is the root node here, single source, okay, root node, okay, source node is 1 here, okay, from 1 to 6, okay, see that, so here source is 1, okay, and destination is 6, okay, for traveling from 1 to 6, what's the path value, okay, yeah, how many nodes I have to travel? See, 1 2 5 6, and see, suppose here also there is a path here. For traveling from 1 to 6, I have to go for 1 2 and 5 and then up 6, okay. Yes, another one way also is this, 1 3 4 7 and 6, 1 3 4 and 7, at last I reach the sixth one, okay. So see, compare this path two ways, which one is the best one, which one takes the minimum time? Yes, of course the first one, okay. This is what the shortest path, okay, single source shortest path, okay. Yeah, this is what the example here for single source shortest path. Okay, now see the all path shortest path. What is the all path shortest path? Okay, this is what the graph here this is an example for all pair shortest path, okay, all pair means all the nodes we are finding the shortest path, which one is the better one, like that, okay. Yeah, this is what the graph 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 nodes and all is there, vertices, and then see the value here they mention the value, no, this is called a weighted, okay, weight value, okay, 1 for 1 to 2, for 1 to 2 I have the value 1, and 2 to 5 I have the value 9, okay, like that will be there, okay. This is what I have to find which one is the shortest one for traveling from 1 to 5. See here, for 1 to 5, 1 to 5, which one is the shortest one, I have to count it. For example, 1 to 2, that means 1 value, plus 2 to 5 9, 9 plus 1, that is 10, okay, like that I have to compare everyone, okay, and then find which one is the minimum value. That's very important, minimum value I have to consider only the minimum value here, okay. Yeah, this is what the thing here, okay, all path shortest path problem, okay. We will see the problems. If you see the problem means you can understand better, you can understand very better, okay. See here, very important point is what is graph G equal to VE, that is vertices, edges, and it is dynamic programming, and it is finding the shortest path. This is very important one, okay. Yeah, and formulas, okay. While going for the problems, we will discuss with this formula how we can find the shortest path, everything and all, okay. Yeah.